So now second person is Tim Cook. Uh, Hi. I'm asking you to adopt me. First of all, you're a genius, and I want to be adopted by a genius. I just see a genius, so I see myself somehow. Um, I like to be looking in the mirror. Then you're CEO of the company which are making, we're just producing miracles somehow. I think Apple is really producing miracles. So things are working and doing stuff like some things which are incredibly incomprehensible from my mind. And I think the new generation of iPhones is gonna be like cooking coffee for everybody or something like that. So I think Apple is an enormously powerful company. It's actually the company of number one in the world. So I have a lot of ideas, like love me do coffee houses, and um, obviously these beauty insurances. I'm sure that Apple is able to work on that, and I think it is a great idea. And I'm looking for somebody who is really powerful and who's able to love me very much, because I need parents, or a parent um, which is able to love me very much. Um, I'm also, I would be alright with giving you 52% of everything I'm creating, because I'm an enormously creative person, and I'm somebody like Tesla maybe, or Leonardo da Vinci, who's been enormously powerful genius and created a huge amount of really important things. So I would give you this percentage of for everything, for my entire so for everything I'm creating, or everything I already created or written. I mean, there are screenplays to be done by the Disney and Pixar studios, like well, I see animated movies in them, so they absolutely surely are perfect to be filmed and put on screen, like maybe in a form of Shrek, or maybe in a form of Frozen. If you think about my book, The Winter Story, I think it is perfect, and it is a very, very good stuff to work on in these studios. And Apple is kind of the parent of Pixar, as far as I know. So I'd be very happy if you would be adopting me, if you would be able to adopt me. I know we've seen each other. So I think I really love you, and I would be very happy if you love me, and if you're able to adopt me, and if you can think of cooperation. I have the season. I'm waiting, starting tomorrow. I'm waiting at the central station of Vienna, Austria, starting at 4 o'clock, I think, between 4 and 8. So, alright. I'm just sure I can give a huge amount of ideas and a huge amount of great businesses. So, I'm happy to share. And what I need parents, I need a house, because I really need a house. I'm like an alien. I'm just in this world, and I'm genius, and I really need a house, and I need a puppy. I need a dog, also. So this is a part of my contract, and I need a very loving parent, or parents. I think I'm a very loving person. Okay, so this is my kind of settlement for Tim Cook. Okay, I love you very much. Thanks. I hope to see you soon. Bye.